Hello, want to create stunning animated videos for free? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a professional-looking animated video in Canva, step by step. Let's begin. Start by opening the Canva website. Once you're on the home page, click on the YouTube video option. When it opens, you'll see your workspace with pages. To add more pages, simply click on the Add Page button. First, click on Elements, then search for Landscape in the search bar. Select Graphics. Choose a landscape that features a sunny day with a green, natural area. After selecting your landscape, Canva automatically displays some magic recommendations. Click on See All to explore more options. Select a landscape you like. Adjust it to fit your canvas. To add a walking person, search for walking characters. Choose one. Adjust its height and width to fit your scene. To animate it, click on Animate. Choose Customize Animation. Select the walking character. Drag it forward or backward to set its movement. You can change the movement style and adjust the speed, making it as fast or slow as you like. Now, let's add some clouds to the scene. After adding clouds, add a sun too. The sun is currently over the clouds. To adjust its position behind the clouds, click on Position, select Layers. Drag the sun behind the clouds to create a layered effect. Then animate the clouds by clicking Animate and following the same procedure as the character. The next scene will help you to level up your skills. Click the Add Page button. Search for Landscape again. This time, select a winter scene. Adjust it. Next, add animated skating characters, which are great for a winter atmosphere, especially for children. Adjust the character's size. For changing the direction, click on Flip, then choose Flip Horizontal. To simulate an iced pond, add a circle shape, adjust its size, and change its color. Then, place the skating characters on this shape. Go to Position and adjust their position on the circle. To animate the movement, follow the same procedure we used before. To cover the water beneath the skating characters, add some plants. After that, add snow to your scene and adjust the transparency for a realistic look. Add another page and search for landscape once more. This time, choose a city scene. After adjusting it, add a walking person to match the new setting. Here, instead of animating the character, we'll animate the background. Use any character, whether it's from a previous page or a new one. Increase the size of the background. Go to Animate. Choose Custom Animation, and this time, drag the background to animate it, rather than the character. Add another page, search for a city scene, and adjust it. Now, add an animated car. To change its direction, click on Flip and select Flip Horizontal. Resize the car to fit the scene. Click on the three dots on the page and select Duplicate Page. On the duplicated page, zoom out to resize the background so it looks like the car has reached its destination. Hover the cursor between the two pages and click on the Transition button. Select Match and Move, then set the duration to 2 seconds. Right-click on the page. Choose Split Page to delete the page you no longer need. This will create a seamless transition between the two pages. On this page, add a walking person and adjust its size and position. Add a rectangle shape, change its color to white, and adjust the transparency to 0. Click on Position. Here, hold the Control key to select both the shape and the walking character. Then click Group to move them together. Adjust the position as needed. Now duplicate this page. Then rearrange the walking character's position and resize it to fit the scene. Hover the cursor between the pages, click on the Transition button, select Match and Move. Customize the animation for the walking character by clicking on Animate and selecting Customize Animation. In the final scene, choose your preferred transition between the pages to complete the video. By following these steps, you can create a dynamic animated video in Canva with seamless transitions and engaging animations. Enjoy the process and experiment with different elements to make the video uniquely yours.